Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing video of nail extension products which I have ordered from Amazon. So I'm so excited to open them out. Let's unbox it. So first one here is a nail cutter. Then the next product is so what's in it? Let's see. There are two items in this box. The first one is a base coat and the another one is the top coat. In my next video, I will be sharing the uses of these products, okay? The next items are a nail art shiner buffer. I have got them in two pieces. Both of them work in a little different way. Now let's move on to the next product. Any guesses guys? What will be the next one? So what will be inside? So it's a nail glue. I have ordered one and the another one is for free. And the next product is a set of fake nails, and these fake nails are so good and it's quite durable as well, and I loved it. And guys, if you want the link of this products, then comment down below. I will provide the link in my description box below. And now I'm going to unbox the last item of this nail extension product video. Now can you guys guess this last item what it will be? If you love to have long nails and you can't manage it to make it long, then grab these items. They are quite easy to wear and easy to put as well. In my next video, I will share with you all guys how I will use all this product and make my short nails long. And here's my last item which I have purchased, and it's a LED or UV lamp for nails. I have been watching people in the videos using this UV lamp to do nail extension. From then I have been thinking to have one and do a experiment on my nails as well. I just love to have long nails, but my nails never grow long. It breaks in the middle, or I don't know what problem I have with my nails. So I have decided to buy all the items and to experiment with it. For the first time I will be doing nail extension using all these products. So I don't know what will be the outcome, but I will share everything with you all guys. Now this UV lamp comes with this wire. I will open it and insert it in the UV lamp and switch it on and check it whether it's working or not. Now let's switch it on, and ta-da, it's working, and I can't wait to make my nails long. I am super excited. Are you all guys excited or not? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like my today's video, then give a thumbs up to this video. Okay, very soon I will share with you all guys my nail extension video. Till then, keep watching my videos. Bye.